Hi there, this is an conversations that have been uploaded to the ads, Google Ads, like the leads data that have been successfully sent to the Google Ads, and you can see the status success. And let me now move to the sub account. And this is the sub account configuration page where you can configure your sub account in this. And when you click on to the configure button, a configuration page will be open up to you. And firstly, you have to follow the 4 steps. First, the client app configuration, in which you have to need to fill your client credentials, like Google client credentials, like client ID and client secret. This video at the top will be this YouTube video will help you to how you can get your Google credentials like client ID and client secret. And by reading this points, this would be helpful to you. And when you hit enter to these credentials and save your configurations, you can now save them, and you can now move to the second step in this. The second step is entering your developer token in this. You can get your developer token by watching this video or reading these points and following these points one by one. So you will get your developer token from your manager's account MCC in Meta, and then you can read all the 4 points and just fetch your developer token, and you can watch this video also to get your developer token. So this is the particularly the video, like how you can get your developer token. And this is the video written like how to get your Google Ads developer token over here. And then you can set up the mapping. The third one is setting the mapping. Third one is setting up the mapping. Like you can fetch your manager's account name like MCC, which one you want to select. Like now I'm selecting this one, and now I'm fetching like this iShare Media, like this one, my client. This I'm getting. And when the mapping has been done, so now I have created a mapping like iShare Media offline upload conversation. So this mapping I have done, as you can see. So by this mapping, the webhook sends the data to this mapping, and the Google Ads get connected to this. and then you can process your lead data to the Google Ads, and so they can just analyze and actually calculate all the analytics work in that. And you can see like I'm selecting offline conversation in this for sending the data, and you can add multiple mappings also. You can add another mapping also in this one. You can add or delete any mapping you want. You can add multiple mappings also in this, so it gives you feasibility to add multiple mappings, and then later on you can just save your configurations in this. And the fourth one is entering your webhook, whereby creating your webhook that receives the data of your leads and send to the Google Ads. So this will help you to get your web data and just send back to your Google Ads so they can analyze that. You can create your custom webhook by giving a parameter name, and then it will attach to your mapping, and then you can see you are just at the top your mapping has been created. And this will make sure that the webhook has been successfully created, and you can just copy your URL and you can use and give to your automation team so they can send the data at your web. So this is the whole setup of your sub account, and at the top these are the recent conversations which are being processed, like how much this person's recent conversation has been successful, and this is the webhook data. So this will show you the top recent one, and this will show you the top recent webhook that I received. And now I'm moving to the conversation logs. So these are the conversation histories, like which client has gone through how much amount. So this data is sent to the Google Ads, and you can see your logs over here. And this shows like this will maintain your history, like which client sends how much conversation to the Google Ads. So this is the like filtration part, like you can filter and apply like 7 days or like 30 days. So at the top we have given up the filtration part too. You can do filtrations on the basis, and you can clear the filtration too. And now let me move to the webhook logs. So webhook logs, this shows you how when I have received the data in my webhook. So the status shows like this is processed or not, and this screen shows you like what data I have got. So this is the whole data that I am receiving from my webhook.
And thank you